Wally says hello this Sunday afternoon, by the way. Right, oh, that space spot, you'll get it. That'll all been revealed later in the week. Right, this is what we're doing today, right? Okay, there's doing some sums here. I think I've got them all right. I tell you, I'm honoured. See the effort the Labour Party's put into this campaign in North Ayr. It's stupendous. They're coming forever. We've had the Secretary of State for Scotland this week. We've had the Labour Party leader the other week there. We've had the Deputy Labour leader, right? And then we've had, in this very spot approximately, we've had 3 or maybe 4 of the Ayrshire MPs here, right? Campaigning for a silly wee East North Ayr, South Ayrshire by-election. There must be a reason for it. I don't know what, but we think we all know it. Their desperation to win it. But anyway, never mind. See, we were on about it. See, there's 3 MPs. I reckon there were 4 here yesterday. I could only recognise 3 of the MPs. Now, I think the 3 of them, or the 4, did the 4 of them do that? Did they vote for the winter fuel payment? Did they vote for the WSH women? And did they vote for the 2-child cap payment? I wonder if they tell the folk in North Ayr what they're capable of doing and what they're all about. Because they don't care really about the people. But I'll tell you, so the MP's salary is £93,904, right? So that was here yesterday, right? Times 3, or maybe times 4. So that comes to £281,712. Then there were a councillor here today, which was 26,300. So that comes to £308,000. Standing here campaigning against Willie Hogue. Silly wee Willie Hogue the fencer, eh? They must like me, what I'm saying. Anyway, and that's what for this thingamajigger, right? That works out. And I reckon there were a 4th MP there. So if the 4th MP was there, it would come to 401,916. Do you know how it works out at per head in this ward? £32 per head for this ward. Because see, North Ayr, there are 12,553 voters, and there are approximately 7,650 households, right? So they're all out to get this and to win this seat for some reason. I was working to 11:30 this morning, working. See, I'm everything that the Labour Party's known now. I'm a working man who goes out and works hard. See, these people here, 93,904, they're all got suits on. When they came, a working hand is, somebody with a working hand is, or a day's work is, £93,904 a year they're getting. Yes. And then they say that they can relate to how we out there are handling the situation of their cuts, their attack. You know, what was it that says, what was it Anna Sarwar said? Oh, Anna Sarwar, that's another thing. Anna's man's working, he's the candidate doing here. So, and I done the research on that too. See, if you work for an MP, you can be between 22,000 and 50,000 a year. 22,000 and 50,000 a year. And what a lot of the MPs usually do, they have their workers working in party politics, right? Now, out all those houses, I couldn't get around all those houses because I'm one man. I was working to 11:30 today, finished my work, but that's me now free for the rest of the week. I'll work no more until Friday. That's when I start working again. I'm living the campaign, my full efforts. But their candidate's been working at this campaign full-time, morning, noon and night for 4 weeks. For 4 weeks. There were the support I'm getting, by the way, this is tenfold. So their candidate has worked at it for 4 weeks. So when they can work at it, his pay's coming from where? Where's his money coming to subsidise his living? Because I know I can't. If I don't work, I don't live. So there you go, folks. £93,904 times 4 yesterday, I reckon. 32 per household, eh? Can't be bad, eh? Can't be bad. So there you go, folks. Let's see what happens this week, and let's see what happens on Thursday. Remember, vote Willie Hogue. And that's it. Vote Willie Hogue. #1 vote. #1 vote. Don't vote in 2 or 3 or end. Don't be confused. #1 vote Willie Hogue. Vote and send a message to the people. Out with this ward that we've had enough. See you all later, folks.